Have you ever wondered just how much you can boost your earnings with the right affiliate tools? Well, buckle up because I'm about to unveil secrets that could skyrocket your income in no time. Firstly, let's dive into what affiliate tools actually are. These are the gadgets in your entrepreneur toolbox that can transform clicks into cash. Whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, or an Instagram influencer, using these tools smartly can be a total game changer for your online income. Stick around till the end for some jaw-dropping benefits. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. Many budding entrepreneurs struggle with complexities like choosing the right affiliate programs or understanding which tools will give them the best return. Sound familiar? Let's break down some of the most effective affiliate tools available. From link trackers to automated marketing software, each one offers a unique advantage to amplify your earnings. I'll guide you on how to use these tools to not only attract but also retain a loyal audience, turning them into a consistent income stream. And who doesn't love a good success story? Take Jane, for instance. She started with a small blog, and by harnessing the power of affiliate marketing tools, she now earns more in a month than she did in a year. It's all about using the right tools in the right way. To wrap things up, using affiliate tools wisely can significantly increase your online income. They offer scalability, efficiency, and most importantly, a better financial future. Who doesn't want that? If you found this insightful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. Share your success stories in the comments below and hit that subscribe button if you're ready to take your earnings to the next level. Here's to your success. Cheers.